Madam Precious, go ahead. Let's hear from you.
Okay, thank you so much, Kumarije. Good afternoon. So, man of na comment section. Cleanliness. Cleanliness dikwa oke mkpa, right? And also n'ihe na-ejidekwa nwoke na nwanyị. Ịmana akụkọ nwoke na nwanyị edochicha ha manya like that. Mana akwefu cleanliness. The reason me accept nji gbagote enu ọbụ. Yes, maka ndị nọ n'obodo oyibo hesicha nni ma akwa ha ma jacket ha ewuru ọkụ with isi. Now, I have a cheaper solution for you. Even more, on a platform, gentle for the problem. Then I ask myself, can I see resolve for this problem? What's the solution? So I have a very cheap way to contribute, and you people will love it. No, try 1 week, 2 weeks, come back and say thank you to me. Now, I own an apartment, myself and my children. So now sitting close to my kitchen. To kitchen obodo na-esi adịrị ma sitting room gị ihe niile na-adịkọta ọnụ. Anyị sicha maka ogiri awụ nwaanyị Anambra na mesi ogiri. Don't be silly. And nchọrọ isi my
so ogiri na adị mma ị na-edi ogiri esi ihe ogiri.
That is all Chineke ga-enyere m aka ekwesị that is all for obere ka na-etinye ogiri na tea and bread. Just all Chineke na-enyere m aka.
Ekwukwala ihe ogiri. I don't know the healthy. I don't know all the healthy, all the good for health.
That is, in my roasted plantain, that tinye oba, tinye ose, onions, bia were ihe tinye ogiri, goya, bia were otaze. That is chukumeji. I think you don't salt tea and bread na kam. Dim na yozma yosemunne. Do you get? And I want ya na brand me ogiri. Don't be silly. Now, nchokwe jollof rice. Owuna obonube. May have foot here. Some of those burnt things. So I asked myself, and I'm no budondocha, and I do not want my jacket to have this. So mbanye, no. So we don't know how to use our internet. This is the free. Imana soda. Una fru soda. Soda will eliminate odor from your home. Now, in Wurike, it was soda. Na ana ijida vacuum inwe umaka na nyoma americano ge happiness. For people like me when 4 children, it was a bit difficult to deal with, right? Idozichono fapasa odiki dirty. No, you're not dirty and don't feel like you're dirty. Healing our stages. Now, it was a dose soda you vacuum, it eliminates odor. Eba wine the way your jackets umuhendiana nischede nnam wosa soda nako kiacha imono rog mandi nwere mo iwere editina mepe the pack obru to idebia. Those things will eliminate odor. You will gain your confidence back. Now ibronye nwe body odor hana amugamu. Relax, there is something you will do. Iwete soda iwete lemon mo lime kobuna. Ijidia is scrub. Makante na like iracha aroge. Imana umuru muki facho imbige falacha that imana mahama akako but ndi na racha aho when they would that they just want, so that onya hana meta or more that na ona meta ihe di ocha. If for your partner nanya iga di ocha ko happy ibute disease. Me for your partner nanya. So ma di ocha ibata ise murogi, it will not happen. So the same way is a feel you too. Okutuwa is a feel. So I na like kwa umuke na adekwacha. Then I say I deba dirty, kamina get deba dirty on our own. Then obo that na ofunye diocha, one person can help the other. Emana obudani, we don't know how to. I'm out to say nyero wanyaka. I need feel unkuzire kita umwiko feel you bad. Umwike ngwea kita no mejoya. Do you understand? Don't feel bad when it comes to your partner. Na comment section bani ukukwa onwonye say na munya di dirty or cho clean side cheek. Okwane mpari to your wife. Izibu mpari and even to your children. Like ya like otun say train no man come with cleanliness. And like a honey you white. Ndi magrasi gini biji guru muge white ana makuziri ha because he yipu anyasa he put see a question he repeat, you know, can be conscious of stains, do you understand? All these things can help them. So all would I fail gear as adults and parents because our children. I've been very particular about kids, right? Always some things now, but as I grew, got married, have kids, murdered. No, I didn't do this. I should be doing this with my kids. And that again, sometimes it uses soda for your tooth, most especially at night. It put on tutu. Nkindi na me kissing ma onure ma obro onure digi foginanya oga me kosi hinine gine wo nkeze ebe ha na abacha ima ndi na me ihe enwe ndi na me gasicha yota. So onwe nke no mbosi as na ha na amezi azuite. So it took me, it took me time to understand what they meant by Eracha Azuite, right? Social media has taught me so much. So much. So can you know wanyaka with cleanliness? Can you know wanyaka? And again, when I say anom we feel ku say when the iga say address, fana told you nega address. If this my house, make clean up. Just your maka have tips. Me panyam amahamwe hemre this student everywhere. Hana Obama basketball ni mono. How about he booked? You know how much a game is. But I realized that it was because when they were growing up, I did not teach them to clean after a mess. So makandina mo be mo teach them to clean after their mess. Kita anwa I can teaching e bata so otun si stop ya. Once in a while, may invite their friends unexpectedly. So they learned that their rooms should be clean because Acharoka Hakohono.